I'm Vinay Jain, I'm Chief Legal Officer at Shake, and I'm on Tapp. The important thing to remember is that if somebody is coming in a capacity where they're doing work for you, actual work for you, they look much more like an employee than a legitimate unpaid intern. A legitimate unpaid internship looks a lot more like an educational experience, and it needs to be structured that way. So for example, an internship needs to offer training, professional training that's similar to what you would receive in an educational environment. So if the intern is getting college credit for the class, for example, or for the work experience, that's a good indication that you're on the right side of that line. The internship should be designed for the benefit of the intern. If it's designed primarily for what you can get out of them as a company instead of what they're getting out of it from working for you, then that's not a good thing. It's a very bad sign if your intern is taking the place of a regular employee. If you ever find yourself saying, hey, we don't need to hire so-and-so because we're going to have an intern this summer, that's a red flag that you're not using that intern in an educational capacity, but in an employment capacity. It's also very clear to specify that the intern is not entitled to a job at the end of the internship, that it's not a trial period, that it's not a test, or there's no expectation that this will lead directly to employment at that company. And then finally, it's important to remember that you have to tell the intern that they will not be getting paid in the initial letter that you provide to them.